Hello everyone, I am Betania Valente Nesser from Agent Plus Realty, a specialist in Florida real estate. I'd like to introduce you today an attorney, Jessica de las Cuevas. She's going to give us Friday legal information. So if you have more questions, you're welcome to call her office and schedule an appointment. You can protect your house, your assets, and your family.
Hi everyone, I'm attorney Jessica de las Cuevas from De las Cuevas and Hauserman. These videos are for informational purposes only and are not meant to constitute specific legal advice. If you have specific questions about your situation, please call us at 561-223-1699 for a free consultation.
So I'd like to introduce you to Jessica, and she will give us some legal Friday information. Today I'd like to understand a little bit more what can be accomplished by a will.
A will, Betania, is a very important document. It's a document that will determine how your assets are distributed, who is going to be the personal representative of your estate when you pass. So who the person that's going to be responsible for making sure that your last wishes come true. And you can also do other things like set up a guardian for your minor children, who you want to take care of them, and also set up a trust so that you can make sure that if you die and you have minor children, that their money is protected and they're taken care of until they become over age.
Okay, that's very important. And how about if the person doesn't have a will?
If a person doesn't have a will, what's going to happen is the court is going to determine how assets are distributed. Now, we are in Florida, and what Florida is going to do is they're going to follow the Florida statute in determining who gets your assets and who gets to represent you in court.
How long is the will good for?
A properly executed will is good forever if you choose not to change it. But the great thing about wills is, Betania, that we are welcome to change our mind, and we can revoke and amend our will as our life goes on and we make changes. So if you decide that you want to change your mind, all you have to do is go ahead and update your will and it'll be good as new.
Oh, great. And who should prepare a will?
Now, you don't need an attorney to prepare a will for you, but it is highly recommended that you speak to a professional. Why? Because wills require some very, very picky little details in order to be valid. So when you consult an attorney in regards to these matters, you're making sure that exactly what you want to happen is exactly how it is.
Yes, because when you pass, it's going to be too late to
try
have that. Yes,
exactly,
okay.
To try to make changes. And without an attorney, we find that a lot of these documents are not prepared properly. They don't have the correct signatures. They're not executed in the correct manner. And what that creates is the court will not recognize the will. And now everything that the person thought they had set up is going to completely be turned over by the court.
Thank you for having us today, and keep tuned, and we're going to have more information with attorney Jessica de la Cuevas.
See you next Friday.